In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an incline Smith machine bench press. Now, I've got clients of all different shapes and sizes as a personal trainer who have all different setups on the Smith machine. So how, as a trainer, do I know how to put all of those different clients into the right position? So when you're setting up the Smith machine, you want to get the bench in the middle of the Smith machine. Sounds really simple, but if you put it more one side than the other, you will find that the bar is going to be more one-sided when you're pushing. Now, I've got the barbell here set up in a position where when I'm at a full arm extension, it's just before a full arm extension. That means I don't have to reach with my shoulders forward to go and grab that barbell. The final cue is we've got this stopper here. Now, this is optional. I always like to educate my clients on what it is and how to use it, because if they're using the Smith machine without me, what tends to happen is they want to progress their weights, they want to overload, but we don't want them to be coming down into a bench press and then realizing I can't get the bar back up. And this is where these stoppers are brilliant, because the bar will rest on the stoppers before it gets to your chest, so you sit it up just above chest height. That way you can slide the bench away if you get into trouble where you can't push anymore on the weights that you're using. So before you put any weight on, one thing that you want to check before you're putting all the weights on that you want to do, just make sure you're in the right position. So make sure the stoppers stop obviously before the bar gets to your chest. Unlock the bar by bringing the wrist forward and make sure the bar is in line with nipple line. From here, you press straight back up, so breathing in on the way down and out on the way up. In on the way down, out on the way up. If I was to get stuck at the bottom, I would bring my wrists back to lock the bar, and then from here, I can slide the bar back and get myself out of trouble. That is how you do the incline Smith machine bench press, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.